Winter weather doesn't only play havoc on the streets outside, it also negatively impacts floors inside your facility. The rock salt and other ice melt compounds enter buildings and can damage floor finishes. Phenomenal Floor Neutralizer and Conditioner removes and counterbalances the effect of alkaline salts on finished floors. And it couldn't be easier. Just mop it on and keep your floor's finish in top shape. The concentrated formula contains a mild organic acid blend along with wetting and neutralizing agents. Also, use Phenomenal as a neutralizing rinse after stripping a floor to ensure top floor finish adhesion and appearance.